Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by a fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
I want to give you my response to this girl, and the reason why I want to give a response is not to particularly this girl, rather to address the realities of life which today's younger generation, especially girls, Annie, take the phone, especially girls are not aware of. Come, see, here's my wife. Let me, Annie, I want to ask you a simple question. Just take my phone. Okay, when you this is camera. When you were in college, when you were a young girl, okay, you wanted to marry tattooed man or you wanted to marry handsome man? Handsome man, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You wanted to marry Falang or you wanted to marry Thai?
Thai.
Thai. You think you'll marry a guy who look like Mafia?
No.
Okay, but then why you marry Mafia? Why?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. And I make you do a lot of housework, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But if I don't make you do housework, then you have to go office, correct?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to do? Office work or housework?
Housework.
Housework. You don't get salary and I am very strict. But why you do housework?
Because me, your wife, and
You're my
that
wife. Okay.
my work.
And
That's
having baby easy?
not easy.
Okay. Before having baby, how many babies you want?
5.
5 baby. Okay. And when you're in college, you think life so easy? You think life easy or difficult when you're in college?
Easy because I not only study, no, not.
Okay. Okay. All right. Chal. Okay. So, see, why did I share my... Now, I'm not trying to say that my wife's version is a reality of life, okay? Now, if in case this girl is watching this video is addressed to you and all other young girls, okay? Now, I totally agree with you. I look like a freak. I totally agree with you. Who the fuck would want to marry me? Which educated, decent Indian girl would marry freak? Absolutely right. It is not, I'm trying to be modest, it's a fact. I mean, when you see Indian movies, who is a girl, who is the hero? Hero is a good looking guy. Hero is like Shah Rukh Khan. Hero is like John Abraham. 6-pack abs, muscle, good house, good heart, everything nice. I mean, who wants a person like this? A character like this is normally the villain. And even nowadays Malayalam movies, they show the guy with, you know, big muscles and handsome and all that. But here's the question. When they show such a handsome guy, so rich, so smart, so successful, my question to you Indian girls is, then why are men fat? Why do they smell funny? Why do they work small jobs? And on top of that, why are women married to them? You don't think a woman wants a handsome guy? You don't think women want a good looking guy? You don't think women want a good-natured, financially stable man? In fact, look at your own father. Does he look like Shah Rukh Khan? Does he have 6-pack abs? Is he handsome? Is he like a hero? No, he's a normal guy. So why? Why does this happen? Why? In fact, why did my wife, who you saw, why did she marry me? She got mad. She blind. Now I know you'll say, yeah, of course she's blind. She must be dumb. She must have low self-esteem. Fine. I'll come to that. See, the perception of, you know, when you're in school and college, you know, the perception of life is very different. And the problem is today's parents, the poor mother and poor father. Father is working 24/7. He's working the whole day. Mother is either a housewife or she's also working. So mother and father both are working. Child is at home, no one to talk to, so talks to the friends. And today, because of cheap internet and a cheap smartphone, Today all the boys and girls are on the smartphone. And because they are on the smartphone, what do you get to see? You get to see TikTok, you get to see Instagram, like this girl said, oh, I have an Instagram, Facebook. But now the question is this Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, are these the realities of life? In fact, fine, you might go to Google, you'll go to Wikipedia, you'll do some search, you'll watch YouTube videos, oh, feminist movement, oh, climate change, oh, women's empowerment, oh, Me Too movement. Okay. Now all this is fine, and today most of the generation today are subscribers of all this bullshit. You'll subscribe to Elon Musk, Gary Vaynerchuk, motivational video channels, inspirational, educational, oh, success, how I earn 7-figure income. Fine, all that you'll do. But now the question is, now here's my question. Is reality, is life exactly what they show online? In fact, why do I ask youngsters this question? I ask them and most of them get punctured. I ask youngsters, how much money are you earning per month? How much? How much savings do you have in the bank? Are you taking care of your mother and father? Are you taking care of the house, water, electricity, food? Are you paying all that? Now you'll say money is not everything, but you need money for everything, right? The reason why I ask all this is because, why do I always focus on money? Why do people study? For what? Why do people go to work? Why do you think your father, mother get up in the morning and have a shower, eat food fast and dress up and run to the office, go catch a bus, go catch a train, go catch a rickshaw, go catch a taxi, go catch something else and land in the office and work 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours? Why? And then come back again, taxi and bus and rickshaw and train, and by the time you're exhausted. Why? You think they don't want to earn 7-figure income? You think they don't want to live the high life, being successful like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos and billions and millions? In fact, why are you living in a small house? Why are you living in a normal house? Why are you living with why you don't have a Rolls Royce outside? Why you don't have the state-of-the-art computers? Why you don't have the state-of-the-art? Why you're not studying at Harvard? Why aren't you, why don't you take a ticket and go to US and relax for a holiday or go to Maldives? Money. We are all slaves of money. This lockdown that is happening in India, why are people screaming and shouting? Money. Now the problem is the parents. I'm not trying to say parents are bad. The problem is today mother is working, she has enough headache of her own. Father is working, he has enough headache of his own. The child is busy in a virtual land where everything is fair. Oh, this offends my feelings. Oh, what you have said, I'm sorry. This is racism, sexism. I want equality. Oh, mental health. Oh, he tried to take advantage. Oh, my pronoun. I'm not a male. I'm not a female. I'm transgender. I'm fluid. I'm gender fluid. See, all this sounds very nice, All sounds nice. Go make your CV. Go get a job. I know it sounds like me being a grandfather or old man, but that is the reality of life. You have to go get a job. You studied so many years to get a job, right? You can't get a job. You can't earn money. Tell me, why should anyone take you seriously? In fact, in the real world, today's real world, tell me, can you go up to a guy who's earning, hi doggy? Always get afraid of me. But when the owner comes barking loudly. See, in the real world, do you go up to your elders and say, hey bro, hey dude? Do you talk to your father, mother like that? Hey bro, hey dude? Does your father look up to the CEO of the company, hey bro, hey dude? Hey, yo. If, let's say, Ratan Tata, hey Ratan man, Ratan bro, Ratan dude. I'm saying, why do you call His Excellency, sir? Why that humility? which today's children don't know, because you don't know the realities of life. In fact, you're giving me advice on marriage. Do you know what happens to a female's body when she gives birth to a child? Do you know the pain? Do you know that your breasts sag like this after the baby drinks and drinks and drinks milk and the shape is gone? Do you know that you can get diabetes and even thyroid issues just by having a child in your stomach? Do you know after they cut open your body, after you give birth, your body is not the same? In fact, you go through periods every day. Your cycle. I mean, you yourself know, boy and girl have sex. Girl gets pregnant, not the boy. Why do you think so many restrictions are? See, there is a reason for all this. Girls have to get married early, or they don't allow the girls to go to the pubs and bars, but boys are okay. I know this sounds unfair, but there's a reason for all this. If a girl and boy have sex, boy will not get pregnant. Girl will get pregnant. Boy can dump and say, I don't want to take care. The girl, being a mother, because the baby came out of her womb, she will take care. Which is a shame. Because that boy equally should do it. And then for a girl, after she gives birth, has 1 child, 2 child, who wants to marry that girl? That guy, he doesn't have any, his body will be testosterone filled. He can take TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, look young, handsome. But nobody wants to marry a girl who's old. Nobody wants to marry a girl who has 2-3 children. They wouldn't mind a guy, provided he has money. See, I know I sound like a grandpa, but these are the realities of life, my dear, which you don't understand. The problem is chatting on the keyboard, oh, this and that. Greta Thunberg, climate change. Australian girls, let me sue the Australian government. 14, 15, 16-year-old boys and girls, especially girls. Oh, I want to change the climate. I want to change. Okay. Why don't you lead a team and show a practical solution? Do you have that capacity? Do you have the leadership prowess? Do you have the experience? Do you have the technical know-how? Do you know the impact on the economy? Do you know the science behind the climate change? Or are you just taking one sentence out of a book from Wikipedia? Hey, climate change, hey, climate change, hey. How will people who are working for fossil fuels, how will they earn? What is your solution for them? Politicians are in positions of power because of the majority. You harm the majority and you start this climate change bullshit, they'll throw you out. What is your solution? See, easy to talk, man.